So are you curious to know what the best things are to buy at the Dollar Tree? Well, in today's video, I'm breaking down some of my favorite things and sharing with you a couple of my favorite Dollar Tree hacks. So stay tuned. Hey, it's Lindsay with Organized to Save. On this channel, I'm here to help you get organized and be more productive with budget-friendly tips, tricks, and digital products to help you declutter and simplify. And I'm telling you, the Dollar Tree is where it's at. I honestly think I go to the Dollar Tree for almost all of my organizing and DIY needs. Sometimes it can be tricky or a little overwhelming to figure out what exactly you should be buying at the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to break down and share with you some of my favorite things to get there and share with you a couple hacks on how I use them. Now, all Dollar Trees are going to be a little bit different as far as what they offer. So what might be in my store, you might not be able to find in yours just because they sell different things in different areas. DollarTree.com is also a great solution if you can't get out of the house. You can still shop a couple great things. Just keep in mind to check the unit or the case price because sometimes they sell them in larger quantities. And you'll also have a delivery charge, so just keep that in mind. If you are headed to a party or a wedding and you need some gift wrap or gift bag, the Dollar Tree is an amazing place to go for all of your gift wrapping needs. Now, I personally am one that does like to hold onto bags and reuse them, but often I'll find myself needing like a wedding bag that I don't have a stash of, and I'll head to the Dollar Tree. They have so many adorable options for every single occasion that you could think of for $1 a bag, or often you can find them in multi-bag packs as well. It beats spending several dollars on just a bag. Now, surprisingly, one of my favorite gift wrapping items is not actually over in the gift wrapping area. It's over in the office supply area. I actually love to use the brown like packing paper and utilize that as gift wrap. You can actually even take it a step further. You can jazz it up with stamps, stickers, markers, you name it, and create your own custom wrapping paper. The roll is actually a decent size, so you'll get a pretty good bang for your buck. Now, sticking with the party theme, Dollar Tree has amazing party supplies. I recently just did a whole video on how I showed you how I did my daughter's birthday party and shared a lot of tips from there on things that I get from the Dollar Tree. They have a great selection of different party essentials like tablecloths, napkins, silverware, plates, anything like that. You just have to make sure that you check the quantity because sometimes you might be able to get a better deal if you can find things on clearance at a different store, but otherwise the Dollar Tree is a great place to go for all of your basic party essentials. Little party tip, instead of buying those super expensive themed plates, stick to just doing a color. The Dollar Tree often has a great selection of different colored things, and you can implement the color from your theme and still tie into the themed party. Dollar Tree also has a great selection of different serving things, and I recently found these super beautiful different serving dishes and serving tongs and everything like that. So you can often find great gems at the Dollar Tree to up your party game. So don't forget about party streamers and party balloons. You can create super beautiful party garlands or even like backgrounds for photo drops and things like that, all utilizing things from the Dollar Tree. If you ever want to do a fancy table setting, you're going to want to check out the plates and cups section because they have such amazing gems. I found some beautiful plate chargers here that have completely transformed my table and upscaled, a typical plate setting to a beautiful, gorgeous plate setting for a special occasion or holidays. I've done videos on that as well, so I'll leave those linked down in the description box. Now, you can also find so many cute mugs. Keep in mind that mugs are a great way to do like a teacher's gift on a budget. They have so many great pattern ones, different cute little sayings, or even plain ones that if you're a little crafty, you can DIY some super cute mugs on your own. Now, the office supply section is a great place to go because you can often find some gems there that you would pay triple the price at Target. I would say to steer clear of the notebooks and folders because you can often find those for so much cheaper during like the back to school sale. But I do have a few things that I love to get in this section, including my favorite labels. You've probably seen these in lots of videos that I've done, but I love how simple they are. They're super easy to put on and remove, and I upscale them with using my label maker. Recently, I came across a chalk pen, which honestly, like, I need to go back to more and see if I can stack up on these because they're amazing. I have a chalkboard wall in our kitchen and I let my daughter go to town on that, and you guys, I got like almost 40 minutes of her playing quietly, writing on the wall, and it was fine because I could just wipe it right away. Talk about a mom win. I also am using this for a future video, so make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss it to see what I'm using it for. And then if you've been around here for long, you know my obsession with all things Dollar Tree organizing bins. There are seriously so many different amazing options, and with each season they always come out with different colors, so make sure that you're checking back often because they're continually rotating out different colored bins. I will say a shopping tip for you, you need to hit it up early. Now I would say to stick to the more solid bins rather than the ones that have holes in them because they're a little bit more sturdy. The ones that I do have in my fridge have like a design in them, and those are still very sturdy bins. So just check them out while you're in the store, maybe even put some stuff in the bins to see how sturdy it is. But you can get amazing, beautiful looking bins for $1 versus spending $5 plus at Target. Now, I'd love to know from you what your favorite Dollar Tree item is right now, so comment down below because like I said, all Dollar Trees are a little bit different, so I'm curious to know if you have something that my Dollar Tree doesn't have. And if you're digging this video so far, please give it a big thumbs up so I know to make more of these Dollar Tree videos for you in the future, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss them when I come out with them. Now, the personal care aisle, I was a little leery of at first because typically when you think of things that you are using for yourself, you're not automatically thinking of the Dollar Tree. But there are a few gems that I want to make sure I tell you about. I'd say the key for the personal care items is to shop the name brands. I can't really vouch for any of the off-brand stuff because I personally haven't tried them. Found some awesome name brand makeup brushes there that work perfectly well. And I've also found some face masks that are selling at competitor stores for $4 plus, and I only paid $1. If you're a little leery of the personal care aisle, I'd say to stick to the name brand items. Dollar Tree has recently been really stepping up their game as far as crafting and DIY stuff goes. My favorite Dollar Tree in town has an entire aisle filled with crafting supplies. Now, like I said, every single Dollar Tree is a little bit different, but this Dollar Tree has so many awesome like wooden craft things that you could find at the local craft stores for $5 plus. Recently picked up a ton of awesome crafting and DIY items that I'm going to be using for future videos, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. If you're looking for more Dollar Tree inspiration, make sure to check out the playlist on your screen as it's a compilation of all of my Dollar Tree inspired crafting and organizing videos. See you in the next video.